students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is the value of cos of pi by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 2 is equals to. So sine inverse 1 by 2 is the angle, means let's suppose this is theta. So theta is equals to sine inverse 1 by 2, means if we'll take sine on both the side, means sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. So value of theta, for what value of theta sine is 1 by 2? We know that for theta is equals to pi by 6, which is 30 degree, we will get sine theta is equals to 1 by 2, means instead of theta we can write pi by 6. So this entire angle is theta, means instead of this we can write pi by 6. So this will become cos of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 6 will become cos of pi by 2. So cos of pi by 2 is equals to 0, means cos 90 is 0. So our correct answer will be 0. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.